Okay, this amp's got some noisy parts, so unfortunately you have to take off the knobs. You got to take off the volume, treble, bass, and reverb knobs. Got to take off the nuts and the washers. Before you stick your hands in there, I got this discharge stick that I made. And I'm just going to make sure everything is discharged. The amp is off. Bang, bang. Okay, we're good. You got to carefully slide this module out, because the wire that they use to build these amps is pure shit. All it takes is the slightest little torquing and it'll break off from here, or here, or here, or here. Okay, now I'm going to turn it on, make sure that this set of pots is taken care of. Beautiful. Shut it down. Discharge again. Okay. Now we got to pull these out. You know what? Let me finish this off. Okay, here we go. How the hell could I have lost a washer? Oh, it's on the floor. Ugh.